everyone, today I wanted to share some of the things that went up on the activity shelf this week that my toddler and preschooler really enjoyed. This 9-piece stacker from Plant Toys is absolutely brilliant. It's a great learning tool for toddlers and preschoolers. Both of my kids love creating different sequences and patterns and finding out variations in how it can be sorted and stacked. This one even provides lots of opportunities to discuss things like varying heights, depth, size, and colors, so it's a great way to develop vocabulary as well. It's also tactile and each piece has a very nice weight to it. This is a pretty quick and easy DIY color sorting activity. I just grabbed a few paper cupcake cases and a handful of bear counters. She needs to sort the bears into the matching color cases. This is a great activity for fine motor development, concentration and focus, language development, early math skills, hand-eye coordination, and for working on color recognition. This is another DIY. I took some photos of her clothing, printed out 2 copies, and then laminated both. After that, I just cut out the items from one sheet and used clear Velcro to create this matching activity. I think she really enjoys doing these kinds of activities because she's working with items that she's familiar with, so that gets her really excited. It also creates a fantastic opportunity for language development. When I was doing this activity with her, I was speaking to her in both English and in Sinhalese. I did similar activities with my son and I found that he was able to grasp and understand both languages very easily. One method is to have each parent speak their own language, and I've heard about some people holding back on using a second language for fear that it could cause speech delay. That doesn't seem to have happened for us. With my son and now with my daughter, I always say the same sentence pretty much twice, once in English and once in Sinhalese. And that's always been the case, and it hasn't led to any confusion. Again, this is very similar to the previous activity. It's another DIY. I found these die cuts online. To create a matching activity, I arranged them on a piece of paper and made a photocopy before laminating both the original and the copy. I used clear Velcro so the picture is not covered up by the Velcro. This activity also gave us a chance to talk about various woodland creatures and their habitats. So both of these matching activities are fantastic for hand-eye coordination, visual discrimination, and language development. This is another DIY. I got this idea from JDA. My son needs to sort the animals into the correct slots. The catch is that the animals on the cards are sort of hidden, so he really needs to look very closely to see if it's a dog, cat, or a horse. So this is a great one for visual discrimination. My daughter was pretty interested in having a go at this activity as well, and it turned out to be a great posting activity for her. She just kept doing it over and over again.